Introducing the revolution in concrete repairs, Fast Concrete Repair by ZGSPL Melika. Problems: concrete floors in terminal operation area, shop floors, warehouse, and cold storage face constant deterioration from heavy traffic, impact, chemicals, and environmental factors. In ports, constant heavy machinery and container movement cause abrasion and damage to concrete floors. In shop floor, impact damage occurs when heavy tools or equipment are dropped, causing cracks or chips in the concrete. In warehouse, moisture from leaks or spills can penetrate concrete floors, leading to cracking and deterioration over time. Temperature fluctuations in cold storage cause concrete to expand and contract, leading to cracking from freezing and thawing. USP of our product is fast curing 3 hours. Temperature stability from between -80 degrees Celsius to +300 degrees Celsius. Excellent abrasion resistant. Concrete compatibility. FCR solution. Just mix COM A, B and C for an ultra-fast, high-strength repair, perfect for extreme-duty industrial flooring applications. It ensures rapid restoration and long-lasting durability in just 3 hours. Case study: Fast Concrete Repair Port RTG Track. ZGSPL Melika successfully restored damaged concrete in the port RTG track using Fast Concrete Repair, ensuring quick setting, durability, and minimal downtime for long-term performance. Case study: Fast Concrete Repair Warehouse. ZGSPL Melika restored warehouse flooring with rapid curing, long-lasting repair, ensuring uninterrupted operations. Case study: Fast Concrete Repair Cold Storage. ZGSPL Melika restored the cold storage floor with freeze-resistant, durable repair, sustaining -20 degrees Celsius and tested up to -80 degrees Celsius. Our clients. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more.